fourth, seventh axis, like a linear rail type, is the positioner can actually increase your reach of the robot. And what do I mean by that is, let's say, for instance, if a robot has to reach to the corner of a weld fixture, right, or the corner of a component. If it has to reach to the corner of that component and it can't reach, and then that means you have to go from one robot to two robots, it may make sense that instead of doing that second robot, that axis has a positioner where it can rotate where the part that needs to be welded is closer to the robot. Now, that was a little bit less common because, just to add a turn-in to only save the cost of having an additional robot may not justify itself in like a feasible manner. Just due to like going to a system that just has, basically an A and B side with no other axes, so just one single axis. There's going to be a lot of costs associated with adding, all the mechanics and like servos and things like that to adding rotation to the A and B side, which probably is going to end up being quite a bit more expensive than just buying another robot.